In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this phone. So you've got two methods, two possibilities. The first one is to open your phone dialer, then reach keypad, and then there's a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got device information. Tap on OK then. And if somehow you cannot use this code, just open the settings, scroll down, select About Phone, and here under under where's serial number, under model, sorry, here you've got serial number, and obviously right here you've got both IMEI numbers. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.